Ha! Inuno, handa na po ang sampano sa pagpupugay sa baton. Umanda sa pagpupugay sa watawat. Ugay kamay. Ha!
Ang panunumpa sa watawat ay pangungunahan ni Master Sergeant Glenn Q. Nepomuceno, Philippine Army Reserve.
Taas ka ng kamay.
Sabay-sabay natin bigkasin ang panunumpa ng katapatan sa watawat. Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas at sa bansang kanyang sinasagisag, na may dangal, katarungan at kalayaan na pinakikilos ng sambayan ng makadiyos, makakalikasan, makatao at makabansa.
Ha!
The invocation will be officiated by Captain Joel C. Saladaga, Chaplain Service Reserve.
Let us come to God in prayer. Eternal God, our loving Father, Creator and Lord of all, whose power is everlasting and whose name is above every name in heaven and on earth, we praise you and adore you today and forever. We come before your holy presence with thanksgiving in our hearts for all the blessings you have bestowed upon your people. We thank thee for being so faithful in all your promises to us in spite of our shortcoming as human beings. We thank you for such a great opportunity having you as our God. Today, as one united people and members of the Armed Forces of the Philippines Reserve Force, we come together to give due respect to our national flag. This is an occasion where we can remind ourselves of the greatest sacrifices our national heroes gave for our country. May this occasion will inspire us to give our best for the sake of our country and people. Dear God, we implore you to bless all the men and women of the AFP Reserve Force with a sense of dedication to duties and responsibilities as we continue to serve our nation. We also entrust to you the next activity as we culminate the month-long observation of the 44th National Reservist Celebration. Bless thee, O Lord. This is our prayer in the name of your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
From here, we shall proceed with the awarding of winners in the essay, photo, and video contests. So we'd like now to request Deputy Chief of Staff for Service and Retirement Affairs J9 Armed Forces of the Philippines, Major General Joel Alejandro S. Naknakster, for the awarding. The J9 will be joined by the commanders of the Reserve Command. From the Philippine Major General Elpidio B. Talha, and from the AFP Reserve Command, we have Brigadier General Vicente Ronatay. For the essay writing contests, from the Philippine Army, our third placer, we have Cadet Captain Emmanuel Ralph R. Benko, Philippine Army First Class, and the representative would be Lieutenant Colonel Marvin A. Iglesias. For the Philippine Air Force, our winner is Sergeant Ruben N. Tinambakan, Philippine Air Force Reserve. To receive the award on his behalf is Colonel Ritza Ann Jovelangs or Jovelangs. And now for the APRESCOM, our winner, we have Technical Sergeant Jaymar B. Hernandez, Philippine Army Reserve. Well, congratulations to all the winners. A big hand for all the winners, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much to our J9, to the commanders of the Reserve Commands from the Army. We have Major General Romulo Just, Major General Elpidio Talha, and APRESCOM Brigadier General Vicente Ronatay. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, let us hear the message of the Deputy Chief of Staff for Reservist and Retiree Affairs J9, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Major General Joel Alejandro S. Naknak.
Colonel Fudutan, can you please bring the troops to Tikaspenga?
Venga!
Before anything else, let me acknowledge the important and very significant presence of most of our commanders here this morning. We have the Reserve Commander of the Philippine Air Force Reserve Command, Major General TJ Talha. Palakpakan natin si Commander ng Air Force Reserve Command. We have also in our midst a very snappy classmate of mine as well, Major General Romulo Manuel, the Commander of the Army Reserve Command. Of course, Navy, and at the same time, Commander of the AFP Reserve Command, Brigadier General Vincent Ronatay. Ang ating mayor, should I say governor of the camp, no less than is in charge of what is happening today. We have Brigadier General Armand Arevalo, the commander of GHQ HSC. Nandito rin sa atin ngayon ang aking assistant Deputy Chief of Staff for Reservist and Retiree Affairs, AJ9, Brigadier General Dijo Halandoni. And of course, he is being assisted by our snappy division chiefs of the J9. Pakitaas ang kamay, mga division chiefs. Yan. And they are led by no less than very snappy also the XO of the J9, who is in charge of supervising all of you today. Colonel Danilo Dupiag, Philippine Army. To the attendees from various services of the Reserve Force, Army, Navy, and Air Force, pakinggan natin yung palakpakan ng Army. How about the Navy? And the Air Force? Ayan. The APRESCOM personnel. Ayun. Nakadamit army rin. So, ladies and gentlemen of the Reserve Corps, distinguished guests this morning, fellow patriots, magandang umaga sa ating lahat. At the outset, let me greet the awardees for this morning's awarding ceremony for the various contests. We have the photo, video, and essay contests. Maraming salamat sa inyong skills and talents that was displayed during these different types of contests that we have conducted in commemoration of the National Reservist Week program. By the way, asan na si Colonel Cueno? Ayan, palakpakan natin si Colonel Cueno. Siya yung overall in charge actually kasi sa kanyang division, yung tinatawag nating Mobilization and Utilization Division, siya ang in charge sa preparation natin ngayong buong National Reservist Week. Kaya napakasigasig ni Colonel Cueno. I stand here before you representing the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, General Romeo Brawner Jr. And I have great honor and pride as we gather for the conduct of the simultaneous flag-raising ceremony to celebrate the culmination of the 44th National Reservist Week. Kaya binabati rin natin yung mga nasa online. I hope marami sila sa online. This week has been a testament to the unwavering dedication and commitment of our reserve force, and it is a privilege to address you all on this special occasion. Throughout history, our nation has faced numerous challenges and threats, both external and internal. And in each of these crucial moments, our reserve force has stood ready to defend our homeland, to aid our communities in times of crisis, and to contribute to the peace and stability of our region and nation. You are the unsung heroes, the citizen soldiers who wear two hats, one as civilian and the other as defender of our freedom. The theme of this year's National Reservist Week, Moving Towards Resilient Force Posture, is a timely reminder of the ever-changing nature of the challenges we face. Resilience is a quality has demonstrated time and again, and it is the ability to adapt, to persevere, and to overcome adversity that has made you an indispensable component of our national defense. As we reflect on the theme, we will recognize the critical role that our reserve force plays in ensuring the security and well-being of our nation. You are not just a reserve in name, but a reserve in action. You are a force that can be rapidly mobilized and integrated with our active duty forces, providing a surge capability that is vital in times of crisis. In recent years, the world has witnessed the emergence of new and complex threats, from cyber attacks to hybrid warfare. Our reserve force has not only kept pace with this challenge, but has also become a source of and expertise in these domains. Our skills in cyber defense, disaster response, and humanitarian assistance have proven invaluable in interconnected but unpredictable world. However, resilience is not just about responding to crisis. It is also about preparing for them. Our reserve force must continue to evolve and modernize. ensuring that they are not just a competent force to our active duty forces or a complement force to our active duty forces, but a force in their own right. This means investing in training, equipment, and capabilities that allows you to excel in the 21st century security landscape. To our reservists, I say this: your dedication and sacrifice do not go unnoticed. You are the embodiment of service, and your commitment to our nation is an inspiration to us. We are grateful for your willingness to stand up and be counted when duty calls. I extend the same recognition to the patriotic ROTC cadets who have the heart to join us on VTC today. I see a bright future of our country through you. You are part of the reserve component of our vital force, and your participation today is symbolic and meaningful as it displays your loyalty to the Filipino people. To our regular soldiers, leaders, and policymakers, I urge you to continue supporting our reserve force. They are an asset that must be nurtured and empowered to meet the challenges of tomorrow. Let us ensure that they have the resources, the training, and recognition they deserve. That's why in all commands of the armed forces, we are trying to propagate the advanced staffs of the Army, Navy, and Air Force are actually supervising both the reserve and the regular forces as well. In conclusion, this simultaneous flag-raising ceremony for the 44th National Reservist Week celebration serves as a reminder of our duty to flag, country, and people as one solid nation. This is a celebration of the strength and resilience of our AFP Reserve Force. As we collectively gather to celebrate our accomplishments today, let us also look forward to the future where you continue to move towards a more resilient force posture, ready to protect our nation and our values. For the whole Reserve Force family, thank you, and may God bless us all. Mabuhay ang lahang kawal ng Pilipinas, mabuhay ang sandatang lakas ng Pilipinas.
Thank you very much to the Deputy for Reservists and Retiree Affairs J9, Armed Forces of the Philippines, Major General Joel Alejandro S. Naknak.
Sampanaw! Ha!
We shall now have the singing of the AFP hymn followed by Pilipinas Kung Mahal.
Ako'y kawal Pilipino, maka-Diyos at makatao, marangal at may katwiran, may damdamin at prinsipyo. Buong Luzon at Visayas, Mindanao ang teritoryo, ingatan at mamahalin. Kapalit man ay buhay ko, ako'y kawal Pilipino, bantay ng ating bayan. Ilog, dagat, himpapawid, lupa, bundok, kagubatan, kung mayroon mang magbabanta, kalahiman o dayuhan, kahit ako'y maging bangkay, babangon at hahadlangan. Army, Air Force at ang Navy, bantay bayan araw-gabi, sa lupa man o himpapawid, karagatan, handa kami. Ako'y kawal Pilipino na mayroong sinumpaan, magbabantay, magtatanggol sa ngalan ng aking bayan. Pilipinas na mahal ko, lupang bansang kinagisnan, buhay ko may itataya kung yuyurakan iyong dangal. Ang bayan ko'y tanging ikaw, Pilipinas kong mahal, ang puso ko at buhay man sa iyo'y bibigay, tungkulin ko'y gagampanan, na lagi kang paglingkuran, ang laya mo'y babantayan, Pilipinas kong hirang.
Pinuno, tapos na po ang pagpupugay sa watawat. Lumansag!
Well, this concludes the flag raising ceremony in line with the 44th National Reservist Week culmination program. To one and all, thank you and have a pleasant morning.
The voice behind the scene every time. Ma'am, you are?
Carol.
Ma'am Carol. Nice to meet you, Ma'am Carol.
Enjoyed this video? Hit the like button and share with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.